So participants are joining. It's 9:05. We are yet more. So can we start, Dr. Hrishikesh sir?
Yes, we can.
Okay, so good evening, all of you. This is Rohit Abonkar from Vetophilic, and today we have special guest to us. After our ICAR PG entrance examination results are out, as you all know, so we have the great person of score 344 in animal science and who have ranked All India rank 1, Dr. Hrishikesh Tekade from Nagpur Veterinary College. So, heartiest congratulations, Hrishikesh.
Thank you, organizers.
Yes, and without taking much time, I'll request him to share his journey through the process, through how he studied and what challenges he faced and how he dealt with him. So up to you, Rishikesh. Please share the presentation.
Thank you, Vetophilic, for inviting me to this platform.
Yes, most welcome.
I think my screen is visible.
Yes, it is visible, doctor.
Thank you. Thank you. Myself, Hrishikesh Tekade from Nagpur Veterinary College, today presenting the topic guideline for ICAR PG Animal Science 23-24. So, while preparing for the ICAR PG exam, we should ask ourselves why I am preparing for ICAR PG exam. Then, what are the answers? I am preparing for the ICAR exam to get ICAR JRF in a top veterinary university. If you get good marks, of course, this will avoid inbreeding in the same institution. You will get guidance of the top faculty in the India, and your path to success become a little bit get easier. Now you have to choose for the SL examination preparation. Then what to choose? Whether animal science or the vet science. Then literally it's just your personal choice. You should assess yourself. You should search your area of interest. You should discuss with your senior. You should understand job profile in animal science and your what are your personal expectation in the respective field. All these things will help you to decide your stream to which stream you should prepare. Then you have now choose ICR animal science preparation. Then when to start your preparation? ICR is not something big. You should read all your subject during each academic year, whether it is vet science or animal science, thoroughly. At least you should have basic understanding of all the subject so that it will be easier preparation during your main ICAR preparation study. But by the end of third year, you should select your stream. That is, in the third year, you should search for your stream, ask your senior, discuss your friend, search your area of interest, and you select your stream. Don't make placebo that you will get enough time during internship for your ICAR preparation. There might be a busy center when your ICAR is scheduled. So you should prepare before the examination date. While preparation for the ICAR PG examination, you should prioritize your time where you have to invest your time. You should select your time wisely. Then in ICR, there are total 120 multiple choice questions with a different serial arrangement of question for the each student. You should answer. You should answer multiple choice questions wisely. For every correctly answered question, you will be get awarded with the 4 marks, and for the every wrongly answered question, you will lose your 1 mark. Recently, NTA following the trend of the assertion reasoning type of questions, similar trend followed in UPSC also. So you should prepare this question well before while sitting for the main ICRPG examination. When you sit in the examination hall, something this kind of screen will be visible to you. There, your stream and timer is running. You should confirm that the stream you have selected is rightly shown on the computer screen. If wrongly placed, then you should immediately inform to the exam invigilator. There are 4 options is there. You can answer the question and save and go for the next question. If you have wrongly answered the question, you can clear all the options, or you can answer the question and put it for the review, or you have without answering the question, you can also put it for the review and then click the next button. The question you have not visited will be shown in black and white box. Wrongly answered question will be seen in red box. Answered question will be seen in green box. And the question that you have put it for the review will be seen in a blue symbol. And you have the question you have answered, but also you have put it for the review will be seen in blue box with a green dot. There are few tips when you prepare for the ICAR examination. In ICAR, there is no fixed pattern. You have to read all things thoroughly. Make your previous year question paper of all the ICAR previous year question paper. You should read wisely and make them your study guide. You should, from that question paper, you should assess the question toughness, pattern of questions, level of questions. ICAR not only about IQ, it is about how qualitatively and quantitatively study time you spend on this. Don't study too much, but think you are studying. It should be studied wisely. There should be wise selection of your study material. If you don't select your study material wisely, then you will unnecessarily waste your time. Every topic you have read, you should discuss with your colleague. This will give your concept clarity. Nice. Enjoy your study while preparation. Don't think about the result. If you give your 100%, of course, the result will come. Practice as much as multiple choice question. Assess them. Discuss with your colleague. Practice assertion and designing type of questions. Make short notes of the point that you feel difficult to memorize. Revise at least 2 to 3 times. First, read the subject topic. First, you should read the subject thoroughly. Then practice multiple choice questions. And then again read, discuss these topics, discuss multiple choice questions. And follow latest livestock production statistics, BHS survey, latest census, new breed added by the NBGR. Everyone know in animal science, there are total 7 subjects: veterinary physiology, livestock production management, animal genetics and breeding, animal nutrition, livestock production technology, veterinary extension, poultry science. And for all these subjects, I am sharing my resource material that I have used. But one thing to remember that I have used these resources, but you can personalize your study material. Our only aim should be we should get concept clarity. Then whatever your study material doesn't matter. For physiology, I have read Dukes, 13 edition. When we read books, Dukes, then it is not important to read all than every chapters. We should selectively choose the topics. Alternatively, you can use Tanva's notes also, called livestock production and management. I have only read this book, Livestock Production Management by Deepak Upadhyay. It is one of the objective books, and little summary is given of 5 to 6 pages for every for every chapter. In between, I also read these Tanva's notes also. If you have enough time, you can read Thomas and Sastrials. It is also good book. For poultry sciences, I have read this Poultry Sciences and Practice textbook by Nilutpal Ghosh. This is also a good book. If you read this book, then this will suffice your purpose. Animal nutrition. For animal nutrition, Kerala University teaching veterinary notes is sufficient, according to my view. But if you have enough time, you can read Animal Nutrition textbook by Dr. D. V. Reddy. For AGB, if you have enough time, then it is better to go for animal animal genetics and breeding book written by the Gurvinder Singh Bra. While reading this book, you don't have to read all the books thoroughly. You should select the topic wisely and read them. You don't have to practice all the numerical that mentioned in the breeding book of the Gurvinder Singh Bra. And for the numerical that as in ICAR examination, for this you can see previous year paper, what kind of numericals asked in the exam. Only the one-liner type of the numerical is there. And if you don't have enough time, then Theagarajan also a good book. This will suffice the topic that will help you to answer in the question. But if you have enough time, you should read this Gurvinder Singh book. For extension, I have read Tanva's notes, and for quick summary, I have used this veterinary animal and extension education book by Dr. Santosh Pradhan. He's helped me to quickly memorize all the concepts in the veterinary extension. In LPT, for me, we can use Sukumar Day. And in Sukumar Day also, you don't need to read all the topics thoroughly. You should wisely select the topics. Don't read all the technology type of topics. You can use this big technology book written by Mohammad Rizulti. For mid science, BD Sharma and Thomas notes is sufficient. And for objective type of book, for objectives, animal repressure is the best book. You should be thorough with this animal repressure. You should read 2 to 3 times. You should discuss this book with your colleague. You can use eternal blame also. This book also have a good bunch of questions that help you to answer in the main ICAR examination paper. There is another book on animal nutrition written by Ashok Kumar Patil. It is also good book. And for every chapter, there is a summary for 233 page for points that you should remember while solving the MCQ. And for the latest update on the livestock production statistic, you can visit vetextension.com. There are few points that you should keep in mind while solving the exam. You should don't get stress, don't be panic during exam. Calmly read all the questions. First, try to attempt that questions that you are 100% sure. Don't try to guess the answer of the question. That it will lose your 1 mark. Try to eliminate the options based on your basic understanding. It will save time and markers. Try to attempt the lengthy question at the end of the paper, so that this will increase your frequency of the question that you rightly mark. It will give enough time for the question that you can early attempt, or the question that require less time. Just focus on your question paper, because person sitting beside you is from another stream, or he may be in a panic behavior, or he may be anxious. Just focus on your question paper and attempt all the questions calm. And remember, ICAR exam is not everything. Be professional, also excel in the other field also. It is just one of the opportunity, not the only opportunity. Thank you. Over to you, organizer.
Yes, thank you, Dr. Tekade, for your time and suggestions regarding ICR. So we will ask participants if they are having any questions to ask to Dr. Hrishikesh. Participants, काय विचारायचंय तुम्हाला? Anuj is asking Dr. Hrishikesh ki, sir, how many times did you revise? How many times did you revise during your preparation?
I think I have revised 2 to 3 times.
Like what kind of revision you used to do? You used to finish your whole subject, then you used to revise, or you first read all those subjects and then you started revision. What kind of strategy you made during your revision?
I first read the subject thoroughly, then opt for multiple choice questions. Then I discuss the topic with my discussion partner or any other who is available to me at that time. And then thoroughly read all the topics again, and then again practice MCQ, and then again read the books. And during practicing the multiple choice question, the point that I am feeling difficult to answer, I read all the topic uh, regarding to that questions and discuss that topic also.
Okay, so hopefully, I guess Anuj's doubt is cleared. And again, he is asking, is it necessary to join mock tests?
No, it is not necessary to join mock test, but if you feel that you should practice mock test for the time management, then you can join 1 or 2 mock tests. Don't join too much mock test. It will waste your time.
So, have you joined any mock test?
Yes, I have joined mock test by waiting informatics.
Okay. So, how did you feel like solving that mock test? What kind of experience it gave you, and what kind of positive or negative thing it helped to your ICR examination?
Just only help me to manage the time properly. There is nothing more
Okay,
benefit from mock test.
okay. Yes, yes.
And it also helps
So
me
time
to
is money,
revise
and
the
it is
things.
a very important thing during that 2 hours of examination. Mayur is asking, sir, is animal reproduction portion is included in animal science or not?
It is the only physiology portion that you want to read regarding animal reproduction. जितना
Okay.
फिजियोलॉजी में दिया है उतना भी रिप्रोडक्शन का पोर्शन आप पढ़ोगे तो सफिशिएंट है.
Yes. And how many questions of MCQ did you solve per chapter?
Per chapter. For every subject, I think I have solved 600. नहीं, for every subject, not every chapter. For every subject, I think I have solved 600 to 700 MCQ, not chapter. My approach is subject wise, not chapter wise.
Yes. So that kind of hard work and efforts you have to take. to just get AIR-1, solving 600 to 700 MCQs. Then, sir, you had suggested to choose topic wisely. Can you please explain how to approach and know such topics?
I think you should choose any standard book first, read it thoroughly, and then opt for previous year question paper.
Rishikesh, you are not audible. Can you just repeat your answer because you are not audible?
Hello, hello,
Hello? Yes, yes.
am I
Say.
audible?
Yes, you are audible. You are audible. Yes.
I think you should first read any standard book thoroughly and then solve previous year question paper. If you answer the questions, then you are selected the good book.
Okay, so you are saying like we have to read the chapters and then we have to solve previous year question answers. Then we have to see
Uh,
what is the approach of ICR asking the question and on what topics they are thinking on and asking again and again. And in that way, we have to select the topic wisely. So Mayur, is
yes,
it
yes.
okay? You are you good? Did you
I
got
think he
your
has.
answer?
I think he has asked for topics, not the book. For topics,
Choose topic wisely. Yes, choose topic
yes,
wisely.
yes. In animal science, you should focus on the question. Mostly in ICR animal science, questions are mostly asked on the productive animal, not on the small animal. So in nutrition, you should mostly read about productive animal, cattle, buffalo, sheep. You don't have to read about small animal. In physiology also, you have to read all the things that are related to the large animal or productive animal. You don't have to go to the deep of the medical science that given in the fields chapters such as anesthesiology, or in cardiovascular system. There are lots of topic is there. Then you don't have to read all these topics. Once you start studying, then slowly you feel what topic you should read or what should not.
Yes, very important point he shared. Many people, almost every student is confused about it, what to read and what not to. And he shared very important point of the productive animal and the pet animals. Thank you, Dr. Rishikesh. So next question is from V2029. Sir, how did you learn numerical data?
For numerical
So what is
data,
the secret behind it?
uh, for numerical data, I only make a short notes and discuss that all discuss discuss the data with everyone who is available to me.
It seems that
Discussion is the
discussion is
main thing.
secret of all your energies.
Yes, all numerical data I remember from the discussion only.
Yes, yes. Great. Good. So sir, how did you memorize the things like facts, dates, names, etc.? I guess Rishikesh have already answered this. The
Yes.
next question is, so Rishikesh, do you want to add on this or should I get on to next question?
Next question. I have
Okay.
already mentioned
Yes.
discussion will sufficient
Uh,
all your purpose.
Yes, Yogesh Yadav is asking, sir, how did you? Sorry, I repeated it. Krishna is asking, sir, are you preparing your notes while reading the books? Okay, so should we make notes or should we not make notes? What is your view?
I think you should personalize your approach. I feel difficult to write notes or prepare the notes, or any other person will feel good to write notes and remember the things. then it is up to you what your approach will give. मतलब, the approach that give you comfort is the best approach. You can prepare notes
Yes.
and
Yes, sure. Like there are few peoples, if they write things, then and then only they can remember things. Otherwise, there are people like Rishikesh, even they don't write, they can remember each and everything. So we'll go on the next question. Next question is, sir, did you prepare your notes? Okay. How many time did you read in each day? Anu is asking how many time you read each day. Great question.
I have selected animal science little bit lately. So mostly in the start of the internship. So I have read all the time that I get free. मतलब मैंने जितना टाइम मुझे मिला है उतना मैंने यूज किया है इंटर्नशिप के दौरान. मतलब I have not counted my time.
Okay,
But
so
you can
you
yeah,
can say you are
but
just sleeping, eating, and studying.
but if you are preparing from fourth year onward, then 2 to 3 hours study also suffice your purpose for animal science.
Okay.
For other subject, you have to give
You,
extra time.
I want to also ask one question. You mentioned, doctor, in your slide that you have to decide your animal science or vet science stream in at the end of third year. So, so in fourth year and in internship, you can study. And again, you were saying you got less amount of time in internship, so you should be made your studies in fourth year. So there are many students who have like now past third year and now in fourth year, or they can't decide what to do. So what do you think? What advice you give to those students? Those who can decide the stream till the fourth year or the internship, but they want to do something. They just want to do something, but they can't decide.
The thing that I told you in slide, that only the ideal thing that you should decide by the end of third year. But you can prepare from whenever you feel that you should prepare for this stream. But while selecting for the stream, the only thing that I have mentioned is your personal choice. You should discuss with your senior, search what type of job you are going to execute in the field and your personal expectation. All these things will help you to prepare your stream.
Okay. So students, do you want to ask any question? And I personally want to ask you one question, like, what is the secret of your college of NVC? Like, the students are getting here rank 1, 2, like 9, 14, 16. 10 out of 50 year all India rankers are from your college and they are all your batchmates. So what is the secret? What kind of food do you eat?
It is not the food, but it's the guidance of our senior, cooperation of our batch management, all these things, and motivation from them help you to study harder and harder.
Okay, great. And one more question, Dr. Anmol also asked, and I also wanted to ask you personally, the why did you choose animal science and vet science? Like, if I'm not wrong, until fourth year you were studying and you were knowing each and everything about vet science very good. So why did you shifted to animal science as you mentioned in your internship days? Like, what happened? What inspired you to take that decision? Am I audible, Rishikesh?
It's my hello,
Hello? Am I audible?
hello. Yes, yes.
Am I audible? Did
Hello.
you got my question?
Yes, yes. I got your question.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Yes. There are lots of things that help me to decide this stream. But a question now.
Hello, you are not audible.
Hello, hello, hello,
Rishikesh, you are not audible.
hello,
Hello?
hello,
Hello?
hello.
Hello, am I audible? Yes. Tell Rishikesh. Tell.
I think this is also my personal choice that I have for animal science.
Hello? Hello,
Hello,
Rishikesh? Hello?
hello. Yes, Rohit, you are audible.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Nice. I have asked three seniors or our seniors, and my personal choice that I should opt for animal science.
Okay, okay. One participant is asking, what is secret of All India Rank 1?
It is the only the discussion that helped me to score that much mark.
Yes. As it is said that
I,
like average people discuss ideas and average people discuss ideas and poor people the things life like which happened in life. But the great people discuss ideas, and such great people we are having in front of us. So, to all our participants, all the very best for your ICR examination and your preparation. Hope you work hard and pretty good. Hope you also get such good score and good ranks in coming ICR exams. Anything else, Dr. Rishikesh, to add?
nothing session. Also, best of luck for our junior for the upcoming ICAR examination. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, all of us. Thank you, all of you. Have a good day. Good night. Okay.
Thank you, organizer, for inviting me to this
Most
platform.
welcome. Most welcome, sir. Goodbye. Goodbye.